Hello there. Welcome to my channel where I test Android libraries from GitHub and do tutorials of coding. Today we are going to test a famous Android library called Toasty. It is a library to customize Android Toast notifications. So without further ado, let's dig into the codes. First, let's create a new Android Studio project with an empty activity. I am using Android Studio's default recommended SDKs for the project, but be free to use your own SDK versions. Now, relax until Android Studio builds the application. When done, I'll be back. Implementing the dependency imports the codes of the library into our project. So let's do that. Add the required dependencies and sync Gradle. When everything is done, let's get into the codes. First, we need to change the layout to a linear layout with a vertical orientation, since I am just testing the library and need no complications. You may use it in any way you feel good. I'll be implementing some buttons to demonstrate the working of Toasty. At first, let's see the very basic functioning of Toasty. Add a button that shows a success notification to the user. Then we will have a warning toast followed by information and error toasts. Be sure to assign IDs to all the buttons to refer them from the code. Doing so, let's come to the Java codes. I'll first initialize all the buttons so that we can add on-click listeners to them. Okay, so let's add the click listeners. To make things easier, I will enable lambda expressions in Java so as to save lines of codes. You can do so in the project module. Just change the source and target compatibility to level 1.8. Defining the listeners, let's add the Toasty codes in the click listeners to show success, errors, warnings, and information toasts. Toasty makes adding beautiful toasts easy, isn't it? So now we are done with the click listeners of the buttons we added. Let's test what we have done so far. This is the UI of the application. Congratulations, you have successfully implemented a basic usage of Toasty. But Toasty doesn't end here. There's more to explore. Now, let us use another type of Toasty implementation, that is, toast with icons and custom toast. Coming back to Android Studio, repeat the process to add the button and initialize it. This time, let us try to implement a notification Toasty. I am using this default Android icon as the required icon. Now, I am adding a custom implementation of Toasty where we can add custom formatted text with required colors and settings. I can see that icon Toasty isn't working properly, even though everything is done as said in the documentation, but the custom notification is working perfect. I thought that the Android logo might have some issues with the tint colors, so I changed it with another vector, a drawable logo depicting a person. But still, it has got some issues. Well, it might be because of the device I am testing on. It is a bit old Android version with level 6, but anyways, I'll report the issue at GitHub. Another implementation of Toasty includes formatting like bold and italic text to be displayed in the toast. Let's use that too. Let's come directly to the formatting of the text. The code for formatting the text can be found at the article on Genix blog about Toasty. I have provided a link to it in the description. Also, to get a better understanding, please read the article as well. Now, we are done with the formatting part. Let's test it. Okay, that was perfect. So guys, this was all about the testing of Toasty, an Android library that allows us to customize Android toast notifications. Overall, I love it and have used it in almost every project I have worked on. The only fact being that it is really easy to use and pretty. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. This is Gourav signing off.